Which way?
This way.
Hello? Anybody? Anybody? No one. I don't see anyone. Oh my gosh, she killed him. Whoa!
I got the camera.
Run, 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 run. Get out of here. Oh, it's there. Oh, wait, it's running away. It's running away.
Okay.
It ran away. It's gone. It's gone. Alright, where should we go now? Oh my goodness. What do we do? What do we do? Hit the wall.
Oh,
Whoa. Oh, you hear that sound? It's just Gary. It's just Gary. Yeah. Here. Well, we didn't see the glitch guy, but we ran into a spider. Oh, what's that sound? That might be him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. There's like sounds all around me. He saved me! The blender guy saved me! No. Stupid ear monster. Such an idiot. So annoying. Look at him. Look at how dumb he is. Haha. Oh, glitch in the door. What the heck?